A lot of background noise. Okay, sorry about that. Sorry guys. Please, can you guys hear me loud and clear? Am I coming out clear? Please tell me what you think about the sound. Is it good? The picture, if it's good, let me know. The sound, if it's good, please let me know so that we can get started right away immediately. Please, I need you to write me on the comment section and tell me if the sound is good or not. Okay, guys. Okay, dive right into it. I'm gonna have to look at the DSY2 today so that I want to get the perspective on DSY so that let us know what's happening with this USD pairs today and find out what's really happening. So good morning, bro. You're welcome. You're welcome. Let's check the DSY quickly so that we can get the right perspective as to what is really happening. Um, okay, the DSY is very bearish and on a daily. Let's see what's happening on the 4 hours. It is reacting around the daily uh, level. Let's see what happened on the 4 hours on the DSY. 4 hours, okay. See a trend that is being respected. Okay. If you're just joining us, you're welcome. This is Millionaires FX, and trying to have a understanding of what's happening in the market right now. So that's it, guys. So okay. So this is what's happening on the DXY. So I'm trying the dollar index. I'm trying to make sense of the DSY right now. So guys, 1 hour, 13 minutes. Okay. Okay. So now I'm looking at gold, guys. I'm looking at gold on the daily. On the daily, I'm looking at this. It's unable to break. It broke this daily level, and then this daily resistance, and now it is actually looking like it's coming back down, like it's struggling to continue the bullish movement, and now it is reacting around that resistance. So sorry guys, I have to rush through it quickly so I can have a perspective. This is 9:21. I have to do this quickly. So right now price is reacting around that for gold. Sorry, I have to remove all these indicators so that price is reacting around that daily resistance. It have not been able to break it, and so far it have not been able to to continue. It's look at that long wick from there. Look at that long wick. Let me see what the Bollinger Band is doing. Okay, um trying to give me a sec, guys. Okay, you guys, the Bollinger Band. I'm trying to see the possibility of we. Okay, look at the price action. It is reacting right now, and it is beginning to. It is finding it difficult to continue that bullish move. Price have been reacting around this level. and then 30 minutes. Let's see what the 30 minutes is doing. Okay, price have just been reacting around this level, so we're going to this is going to be a breakout trade. This is just going to be a breakout trade. What I see here is just a breakout trade. Possibility of let's see if you can be able to break below this I think that's why they don't want to break below this daily resistance, this daily support, because if they break the daily support, then they're going to have to make a move. You understand what I mean? They will be expected to make a move. But I'm very bullish in my bias. I'm bullish. I'm thinking it should be bullish, but I can't get enough confirmation from here. Let us take a look at Nasdaq. What we're going to do is that whatever we can be able to get, okay, Nasdaq is ranging between these two daily levels. It is ranging between these two daily levels, and right now if we look at the price action, there's a week from yesterday and price have actually continued bullish, trying to fill up that week. So now on the 4 hours, okay, let me take a look and see what it looks like on the trend band. Okay, it's looking very bullish, but let us see. I need more confirmation to be able to confirm the actual direction of this market right now. So but it's okay, I'm going to find it. So now later I'm going to find more confirmation, so that we're going to decide where we are going to go. But I see that Nasdaq is actually trying to go to, there's a trend line here, there's higher time frame trend here, trend line here, so that's Nasdaq is supposed to go to. So right now I'm going to have to go down a little bit lower to know. Guys, I'm going to try and run through it quickly, so that's what I'm trying to do, make sense of what's happening in the market. I'm trying to make sense of what's happening in the market, guys. Yeah, that's it. That's the reason why the price action is not but don't worry, we're going to find today. Definitely we're going to find it. Whatever they're going to do, hopefully today we're going to find it. I wouldn't be surprised if I see a whipsaw. I wouldn't be surprised if I see a whipsaw on this news. So guys, we got have to be careful out there. I wouldn't be surprised to see a whipsaw, guys. But we're still looking. We're still looking on the DSY. Scale it down to the 30 minutes. Okay. Give me a second, guys. I'm still trying to make sense of this market quickly. I have to run through all of them quickly so I can be able to get a real perspective as to what is happening for real. So Today, the news today. So usually, what they normally do is that they begin to go in the opposite direction before the news. So now I'm going to use, you guys know me, we're going to use other method to get this confirmation, guys. Okay, I'm going to use other method to get a confirmation on the direction of this news. Okay, guys, tell me what you think. What do you think is going to happen during this FOMC news? What's your opinion? Just give it to me on the comment section. Let us hear your thoughts. I like to get you. I like to get your thoughts, guys. Mm. It's even look kind of obvious that price will go down to fill the big candle, but who knows really? It doesn't work like that, Pedro. Price will not always go back to fill the big candle like immediately. No, it doesn't work like that. Um, last FOMC was rate hikes and now it is predicting the same bullish run. Yeah, there's a high possibility that we are going to see another bullish run again on this. Another, it's very very possible. Bullish run on this one again. However, I'm going to trade. We are going to trade it with confirmation, guys. So don't worry. We are going to trade it with confirmation and make sure no, we're not going to get caught. That's for sure. Okay. I'm not going to trade it without confirmation, guys. As usual, like I said, if I don't get a confirmation, I won't trade. I'll have to get a confirmation somehow. That was how I was able to stay safe the other time. Today, that's the same method I'm going to use. I'm not going to trade it without a confirmation, guys. No, never. I wouldn't do that. I'm going to be very, very careful with my money. I don't give it out without a fight. Yeah, you don't have to go in yet. I'm going to get that confirmation before we talk about any kind of trading. So I'm looking at three pairs again today. I'm looking at gold, Euro USD, and AUD USD. So let us see. And then I have Nasdaq too. So I'm looking at what's going to happen. The possibility that this market can actually drop back to the trend line, or it's going to just continue upwards. I do not know. But it's what I don't know is maybe there's going to be a week. There's gonna be a week, then I don't know if they are going to drop a week on the on one side. I'm thinking something like that is very possible. But the same way we did it last time, that's what we're going to do. The same thing again. Okay, guys. So same thing again this time around. The goal is to stay safe and make money, not lose money. We're going to get the confirmation. We're not going to trade this without confirmation because it's not clear. It's not looking clear at all. Okay, guys. It's not looking clear at all. So we're not going to trade it without confirmation, guys. No, never. I, we're not going to do that. I'm sorry, guys. We are not going to trade it. I'm gonna be looking to go bearish. On the weekly, it's on the strong resistance on the weekly. So guys, I think that I've actually seen what I want to see. It's reacting around the strong resistance on the weekly. So we are bearish. You can see the weekly support on the weekly resistance. Gold is around a weekly resistance, and it is finding it difficult to break above it. So I think we're going to go bearish on this trade. All of them bearish. That was why we get that week. That was why we got that week there. That's the reason why you go have this week. You see this week there. That's the reason. That's the reason for so this level is a weekly resistance. That's the reason why it is finding it difficult to break it. It's a weekly resistance, guys. So let's see, guys. But it's tricky. Why it's tricky is because it is outside. It is reacting outside rather than inside, which could also be a trick. Okay, AUD USD have started to move again, very early again today, which could be a manipulation, guys. It could be a manipulation. Uh, Euro USD is already bullish again. Hmm, something is not right, guys. Could be. The more I'm seeing this, the more I'm looking at it going down. The more I'm seeing this early movement, the more I'm seeing the possibility of it going down. Seriously, that's what I'm thinking. I'm seeing a possibility of it going down. The more I'm seeing these early movements, now it have taken out yesterday's high. It have taken out yesterday's high. All of them, they're all going bullish before time. You can imagine that. Oh, Nasdaq is already bullish. They're all looking very bullish before the news. Do you think that this bullish move is sustainable, or we're gonna see or we are gonna see this news is gonna destroy a lot of people's account today. We'll just watch out and see. But I'm not gonna rush in. I'm gonna be careful and I'm gonna get in when I get my confirmation as usual, guys. I don't mind getting in late, but I know this market is gonna make a lot of move today, so I'm gonna wait for that confirmation to come. So I'm very. I've seen some signs. I've seen some signs that says bearish. I've seen some signs that says bearish. I've seen some signs that says bearish. So guys, I've seen a lot of signs that is saying bearish. Now look at it. Let me give you guys the what I see on gold. It is showing that this level is a weekly resistance. But look at what is happening. Price is consolidating above it, not below it. See? Yeah, it's not below it. I'm seeing this thing. There's a high possibility that we can see this move bang to the downside. Yeah, very possible that we're going to see this thing move to the downside against the. It's a good thing that we're not going to rush in. We're going to be among the people that are going to cash in. If they plan to whipsaw people out of this market, it could be to that today they want to destroy people's accounts. They've paid yesterday and today maybe they want to destroy people's accounts. So what can we do? Be careful. Okay. The USD is kind of very weak, which means bullish movement. What if in the last minute the USD picks up a lot of strength and shocks everybody? That's what I'm thinking. What if it happens like that? Or should we use a buy stop? But I'm bearish on this one. I'm bearish on this one today. Bearish on this one, guys. I'm very bearish. I am bearish on this one. If you're just joining us, this is Millionaires FX. You're welcome. Tell us what you think about the FOMC. What do you think is going to happen? Give us your idea. Give us your perspective. Your idea is welcome. Let us see what happens. This is what I'm looking at right now. This is what I'm looking at. The market is failing to break a weekly resistance. Very strong level there on gold. Can it be that this market is actually going to continue down? Very possible. So I'm looking at the possibility of USD strength for a move to the downside. Very possible because of this weekly resistance there that the market is struggling with on gold. It is not able to break it. However, I need to get more confirmation for me to be before I can begin to think of getting into this market. Maybe it's going to be a stop hunt to the upside for the fact that they have all this look at it, guys, all these equal highs here, this level, this tight squeeze here. They could even do a whipsaw. Yeah, they could do a whipsaw. That's why we have to be very careful. So today we are going to be very careful not to get caught. It's going to go exactly. That is the truth. Everyone is expecting interest rate to go up. If it comes down, if it comes out lower than expected, guys, that means they're going to destroy a lot of people's accounts. It's going to be very good for the dollar. And if it's good for the dollar, that means you're going to get a bearish movement. That is what you need to understand. Exactly what my sorry guys, you cannot see me, but it is not working, guys. I don't know what's happening. So it's almost time. We have like how many minutes? Sorry guys, I didn't know my camera was not working. Sorry. So it's okay. I believe strongly that today we're going to see, out of all the things that we've decided, that we've said, one is going to happen. I'm feeling so hot right now. So it's very, very possible that it's going to be crazy for if the interest rate results comes out. If it's not crazy as people thinks, then it's gonna be a problem. Seriously, that's the reason why we need to be very, very careful. They could just top hunt people to the upside and then move go down. Seriously, and destroy a lot of people's accounts. So that's why, just like we did it yesterday, we're gonna use confirmation in order to avoid getting caught in any of the wrong direction. So let us be let us let us be careful out there, guys. That's all I can say. We just have to be careful. I didn't know my camera is not working. So as usual, we're going to use a confirmation as usual to do it as usual, guys. We're going to use a confirmation to do that to do it. We're doing. We're waiting for the time to get closer. Okay, he said gold started dropping heavy when the live stopped yesterday. I didn't get in though. I was yeah. I got some. I caught some move. Yeah, yesterday I caught some move. I told you guys what was. I told you what was going to happen. Now I told you what was going to happen. I made about $300 on that one. I knew that the move wasn't going to be much. So what I did was so I knew that the move was going to be interesting. So let's get ready for that. I wanted to use buy stops and sell stops. I'm very, very bearish on this news, guys. Very, very bearish. But however, I'm gonna wait to see what happens. I'm not gonna rush as usual. I'm gonna go in with a confirmation in order to avoid getting caught up in the wrong side. So it could be a whipsaw, it could be anything, because a lot of people are gonna come to a lot of people are gonna be ready to make money today, but they're gonna get caught up in the wrong direction today, and they're gonna be shocked what is gonna happen to them today. So that's for sure. A lot of people are gonna get caught up in the wrong side today, and it's gonna be a disaster for them. So let's be careful out there, guys. I'm beginning to see some activity because the euro have full strength. So the euro yesterday, the dollar on the currency strength meter was single bar, very weak yesterday. Yeah, and it didn't move. But today, listen, listen, it was single bar yesterday. It didn't move. It stayed in one place throughout the news. Now today it is two bar already, and the arrow is pointing down for strength. All they need right now is to because euro have full strength. Also, I do not know. Euro have full strength because they were able to control the interest rates. They stop increasing interest rates on the euro. So they stopped increasing the interest rate on the euro. So the euro is stable. Yeah, it is stable. That's the reason why you're seeing exactly World Cup and trading. Exactly, bro. So the euro, I might not see a lot of activities on the euro, but for sure in the next 6 minutes we're going to see that explosion in any of the direction. However, guys, I'm going to be I'm going to be I'm going to be going I'm betting my money short. To go short, if I get a confirmation, then I'm going to go get in. Maybe the World Cup is going to move the market. Who knows? Who knows, guys? But I'm here and we'll do it together. We only stay safe or make money. We don't lose money in this market. So be advised, do not get in too early, to avoid getting caught up in the wrong direction. So um, be advised, don't get in too early, so that you don't get caught in the wrong direction. So you can see that gold is struggling around a weekly resistance. Look at that resistance there. That level is a weekly resistance. That level there, it is struggling that around that level since yesterday. They have not been able to break above it. So now we are seeing who is winning. Who is winning on the World Cup? Who is winning? Who is dealing with who? So guys, let's wait and see. This market is very confusing, but that's why we're going to use a lot of confirmation to trade it today. It's very important that we use a lot of confirmation. The next 5 minutes we're going to be facing the news. It's going to be the news proper. So okay, I'm not watching yet. In the next 4 minutes it's going to be FOMC, guys. In the next 4 minutes is going to be FOMC. So let's get ready, guys. It's going to happen soon. Mind and body should be ready for this one. Might shock people. They might shock people today by doing the opposite of what everybody is thinking, that they're increasing interest rates. They're increasing interest rates in the US. This news might come out differently than what people think is going to happen. Trust me. Yeah, it's very, very possible. So it could go in any direction, but I'm gonna get a confirmation. I need the minutes to get a confirmation. So in the next 1 minute, guys. So let's get ready. Let us be ready, guys. It's gonna happen now. This is my first year trading a whole complete year and seeing how to trade the news. I can see how someone can really make big money knowing how the economies work. Exactly, you can. You can make a lot of money knowing. Yeah, the fundamental analysis helps a lot, guys. So I'm really paying attention to the currency strength meter in in conjunction with the pairs to see what happens. It could be a whipsaw. It could be a whipsaw. So let us be advised. So let us be advised. If I get a confirmation, then I'm gonna get into this market and make some money. Okay, did I not say it, guys? Did I not say it, guys? Did I not say it? Did I not say it, guys? Did I not say it? Did I not say it, guys? Hmm? Did I not say it? I'm sell already. I'm bearish, guys. I'm bearish on gold. I'm bearish on gold. I told you guys was gonna. Okay, the week I'm seeing. The week I don't like the week I'm seeing. I expect it to continue down, but I don't like this week. It's not looking good at all. I don't like this week, guys. I do not like this week. I told you guys they might shock people today. Did I not say it? But I don't like this week. The week is scary, guys. I do not like this week. It has to continue down. It's not looking. See, guys, this is crazy. This is crazy, guys. I'm closing my position. I'm closing one of my position. Let me see. Let me hold on to one and see if it's going to continue down. I do not like the week I'm seeing, guys. This week is kind of crazy. I do not like the week, guys. I told you guys that we're likely going to see a bearish move on this. Did I not say it, guys? Let's see if it's going to continue down or not. I do not like this week. I do not like the week, guys. It's so I don't like this week. Seriously, that's the truth. The week is annoying. I don't like this week I'm seeing. It has to continue down. I told you guys that this is what is going to happen today. Like I predicted it like I was a soothsayer. Hmm? Okay, now we are beginning to see some profit in this game, and it's feeling good right now. So let's see. Let me see if I can be able to add more positions to this. But it have already hit a resistance on this one. It's not looking good, guys. I don't like what I'm seeing. I don't like what I'm seeing. I'm going to stick with my two position. Let's see if we can make profit on these two. It's fine. I don't like the way it is moving. There's no pressure. There's no pressure. The pressure is very weak, guys. There's no pressure. There's no pressure to the downside. It's not looking very weak. This is the FOMC. I was thinking that we're going to see some real moves today. Did I not tell you guys? Look at the dollar now. It's on full strength right now. Okay, we are in the money right now. Can you continue down, bro? Can you continue down so that we can make some real cheddars today? Can you continue? If it's not going down, I'm gonna have to close my position. I don't like the wicks. The wicks is annoying, guys. I don't like the wick I'm seeing. I told you guys that they might shock people today. See, listen, a lot of people were hoping that they were going to increase the interest rate again. They were going to raise interest rate again, and okay, 30 minutes after could also be maybe that's what they want to do. Okay, let me still hold on to my position a little bit and see. But I don't like this week. The week is annoying. Seriously, I do not like the week I'm seeing. I like to see some real movement, not this week's. This week is annoying. I do not like to see, but it's okay. I'm already in profit, but I like to see some real movement so that I can quickly, make some good profit and walk away. I adding position to this to see if we can be able to run all the way down to that trend line. If we does, you're not in yet, okay? I'm already in greens, guys. If I see some good profit, I'm going to start taking profit immediately. I see something good in this market. I'm going to hold it a little bit to see how far we can go. The drop is so annoying. I don't like the drop. You see, that's the reason why I like to trade with you guys. You see what you said just now just gave me a lot of confidence to hold my position. Um, Nick, what you just said now gave me a lot of confidence to hold my position. That's why I like to stream with you guys. It's so fun. It's so cool. I enjoy it a lot. Seriously, that's the truth. When I'm not streaming with you guys, I don't feel. I'm going to close this position. I'm going to close to at least 70% and allow just the remaining 30% to run. Okay, just like you said it, bro. Just like you said it. I'm smiling to the bank. I'm smiling to the bank. Just like you said it, Nick. It's happening just like you said it, just like you predicted it. Just like you said it, it is happening. I'm so happy now. Now I'm smiling. I want to start closing partials, guys. I cannot keep this whole money. I can't trust these people with my. I can't trust them with money, guys. I want to start closing partials. Seriously, I cannot trust these people with money. I'm smiling to the bank now, all because of you guys. Oh my lord, I'm up over almost $600 now. I'm up 600 and counting. Let me start closing partials, guys. I want to close partials and hold the rest. I want to close partials and hold the rest. Okay, I've closed 30%. 30%. I opened three positions. I spent my position into three, and I've closed one now, and I'm holding two. If we go down a little bit more, I'm going to close more again. Okay, guys, so that I don't lose everything. These people, you know how they behave. You cannot trust them with your money. Right now that I'm seeing the money, I make sure I'm securing the bag as I'm seeing the money. Okay, I make sure I'm securing the bag. I make sure I'm securing the bag now that I'm seeing it. I do not want to wait because I don't trust these people with my money. Okay, guys. Okay, I'm smiling to the bank this time around because of you guys. You guys are awesome. Mm, you guys are good. So, like I said, I told you guys that the currency strength meter, if you know how to use that, it could also be a very powerful tool for you. You see how I use that to be able to get that. When I saw the behavior on the currency strength meter, something very soon, I'm thinking of closing another position so that I'm going to close about 70% and hold the remaining 30%. Of course, we are careful. We are always winning because we are careful. We do not trade like the amateurs. We are very careful. So now I'm securing. Okay, it is running again. I'm thinking of securing another 30% again. I'm thinking of securing another 30% profit again so that then I'll allow the rest to run. Oh, I did that. Okay, let's wait a little bit. If it increases again, I'm going to secure another 30% profit again, and then I'm going to wait for the remaining one to run to infinity. That's it. If you're just joining us, this is how we roll in Millionaires FX. We are always killing this market back to back every single day. So what we do is to trade this news. We specialize in trading this news every single day. So guys, I'm closing another one again. So it's remaining only 30% profit that I'm holding right now. Only 30%. I'm holding. Decided to go against me. I wouldn't feel bad that I didn't make profit from this trade. That's it, guys. So I'm so glad that you guys joined me. I really appreciate it. So this remaining one, I'm going to hold on to it as much as I can. That's the truth. I'm going to hold on to it as much as I can. um so guys, I really appreciate it that you guys can join me. I said it, that this thing that is happening, it could actually shock a lot of people, that they might be thinking that they're going to increase the result is going to be out. But it will shock a lot of people, and you can see how it shocked a lot of people today. A lot of people have been shocked to their bone marrow. I'm sorry, guys. I'm sorry. It's really sad. If you lost, I'm sorry if you lost. Actually, I won. I'm sorry if you lost, guys. I do not like this week. The week is not looking good for me. I don't like this week. When I'm seeing this week, I'm starting to panic. Okay, guys. When I see the week, I'm beginning to panic. I want to close this last position. If it doesn't continue down, I'm closing the last position. You took a loss. How? How can you ask me to hold on to it? You don't know that. Why are you not securing the profit as it is coming? You have to. I do not like the fact that you say that. Seriously, I'm sad. I wanted to close it, and you told me to hold on to it. That in the next 30 minutes, I'm not in yet either. Didn't get to enter before the news. Bought at 1.59 with you bought. How can you buy this market? I thought we said we are trading with the confirmation. How can you? Oh, that's not good, guys. How can you do that? That's not right. You are going against the rules of our trading. This how you are going against the news. We have against the rules. We have rules to trade this news. Okay, and when you do that, you are actually the next 15 minutes you're going to get the next 15 minutes candle. Let's see if you're going to continue to the downside. You're getting the next 15 minutes candle. Let us see. This is 10:14. The next 15 minutes. Let's see if you're going to get the next 15 minutes candle to continue to the downside. I don't understand how you can buy this market. I thought you're streaming with us, Nukshan. If you're streaming with us, then you are not supposed to take a loss. No, not at all. If you are streaming with us, you're not supposed to take a loss because we said that we're going to trade it with confirmation. We're going to sell, and that's exactly what we have done. And we are holding the sell because we know that um, it's likely going to continue to the downside. The next 1 minute, the next 15 minutes candle is going to be here. Hopefully, it's going to continue to the downside. But if I see rejections on the next 15 minutes candle, if it doesn't have momentum, then only then will I begin to look for uh, to take profit and walk away. But right now, I'm smiling to the bank already. I'm glad. I'm smiling to the bank. You bought with a tight stop loss. No, that's not right. We did not buy in this market. I know that the signal was sell. You sat this one down. No, you don't have to sit it down. You don't have to sit it down. You don't have to sit it down. Once you listen. I know the news that doesn't move. I know the news that moves. I know the ones that doesn't move. I'm seeing rejections. I want to start. I want to close my position. All of it. I am seeing rejections. I want to close all my position. If I've closed everything, and I'm glad I did. I'm seeing rejections. I'm seeing those weeks, and it is not looking good at all. On gold, you guys know I like gold. Gold is my friend. He's always paying me. That's why he's my friend. Okay, gold is my friend. Gold always pay me. So yeah, next time Nukshan, follow us. Follow the rules that we use here. We use this rule to win almost every news. Go and watch all the stream we've done. I've closed my position, guys. In case you're still holding, I do not trust this news. I'm seeing a lot of wicks. Instead of a bearish move, continue profit I made on this one. About $300. That's what I made. So that's it, guys. I'm seeing a week. I don't like this week. I'm seeing it's not looking good. So it's not looking good, guys. I'm seeing those weeks that I'm seeing. It's not looking good on the 15 minutes. So you want to be careful. So you want to be careful out there. So guys, that's it. So it was a great trade we had right now. I hope you enjoyed the stream. If you're just joining us, please give us a like, give us a thumbs up. Enjoy. If you enjoyed this stream, give us a thumbs up. Okay? give us a thumbs up, guys. If you really enjoyed this stream, give us a thumbs up and make sure you subscribe to this channel, fomc news. I have closed my position, guys. I have closed. I hope you're hearing me. I've closed my position. I still continue to say it. I'm not holding any position again because I am seeing those weeks showing that the market is kind of tired. So I hope you guys have closed too. So guys, I really appreciate the stream. You guys that joined me, I really appreciate it. If you're not, if you stream with us, I'm sure you would have cashed out. No matter how little, you would have made something. Even if it is $10, it is something. Okay, I hope you enjoyed the stream with us, and I hope you, yeah, great trade. It was a great stream. I really appreciate you guys for joining. Now listen, I told you guys that gold was actually struggling with a higher time frame resistance, right? The weekly resistance, and because of that, it is likely not going to be able to break it, and then it is going to go down. Exactly what I said. That was what happened. That's exactly what I said. That was what happened. So you can actually see that. You can see that, guys. You can see that. So that's it. So we keep this is how we roll on Millionaires FX. Trade this news every time and get paid. Okay, we traded yesterday. We didn't get caught. We didn't get caught. Sorry, we didn't take any trade yesterday because we were trying to be safe, and today we managed to take some pips out of the market. Okay, and at the end of the day, it was cool. I enjoyed this news. It was a good one. I wouldn't lie. If you didn't participate, don't worry. Next time you're going to participate. You're going to have your own opportunity to participate to make some money. This is awesome. I really enjoyed the stream and I enjoy the news. I enjoy when I'm trading with you guys. Come on, I enjoy it. So this news have damaged some people's accounts, but here we are smiling. Right now, some people are crying to the bank, are crying now. Oh, if I had known, if I had known, if I had known, I wouldn't have done this, I wouldn't have done that. But look at it, we are lucky. We didn't get caught in the wrong side, and I'm glad. And let me tell you guys something. We would have used a sell stop. The reason why we did not use a sell stop limit order was because we were not we were not like I did not the market was just, it didn't make sense. It didn't have a clear, you know, although no market always have a clear direction. But if I had known next time, maybe we were going to try you use a sell stop limit order and get in, place a sell stop and wait. If it triggers it and continues down, then before it even to begin to reverse at that initial spike, we start taking profit immediately. Imagine how many pips you can be able to make doing that. That's what I'm looking at. We're going to start using limit orders, sell stop limit orders in the direction we want the market to go to. If it goes in the other direction, we still get confirmation we can trade it. But I know when I saw the behavior of the USD on the currency strength meter that it was bearish. I saw it coming. I saw it coming. I saw it. It was showing, everything about it was actually saying bearish, 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 bearish. So, and that was it. Now, let me also tell you guys about this news. Let me tell you guys something about this news that you don't know. When you take a trade on the news like this, listen to me. When you are taking a trade on the news like this, you can anticipate where it's going to stop and reverse from. Begin to look at all the resistances, all the supports on the left hand side. Look at this one. Use the support from the previous day, from 2 days ago. That was where it came and bounced off and went back. So you should also know that if you take it AUD USD, immediately you go to this supports, I knew that there's a possibility that it might not continue down, it might go back up. So that was how I was able to find it. And the Nasdaq have actually hit a support level. It's struggling around the support also. It might bounce off from there and go back up. So I hope that you learned that one also. You begin to look at all the possible support level from the previous day, the previous days, the support level. That is where they are going to stop. That's likely where they are going to stop. Okay, guys, I hope you learned that one. So this is how we do it in Millionaires FX. Every single news day, we trade and catch some pips and smile to the bank. So if you're just joining us, you're welcome. Make sure you subscribe to our free. Okay, after the press conference, okay, that means if NAS can break, listen, if NAS can break this support at 11727.29, then the next support is 11591, 11591, 11591, guys. That's the next one. 11591. If you can break up below this one, I cannot trade this now. I cannot take a sell and anticipate that NAS will continue that. No, that's a bad decision. That's a bad trading decision, bad trading style. Listen now, let me tell you guys. Okay, I'm gonna wait a little bit if possible. Okay, let's wait a little bit. Um, let's wait a little bit so that like yesterday, I don't know. Pedro say he didn't take the trade. Yesterday I took that scalp I told you about and I made about $300 because I knew the distance was short. What I did was to open two positions. So immediately it dropped a little bit. I was able to catch $300. I closed it immediately because I didn't want it to reverse on me again. So that was what I did. So guys, that was what I did. I didn't want it to reverse on me, so I used my my common sense to apply a little bit of I applied a little bit of common sense. I didn't want it to drop on me. So I just took profit immediately and walked away and I was good for the day. I was okay at least. I walked away with a little bit of a piece of the pie. Is that what you guys call it, right? A piece of the pie. I walked a little bit away with a little bit of the pie. I didn't lose completely, so I was smiling to the bank. I was happy. That was yesterday. If gold can break this support, if you can break this support at 1796, right? If gold can break this support at 1796, then I'm going to actually even take a sell again. If, let me now give you, there's a condition. If it breaks below it and the next 15 minutes candle continues down, there's a possibility that we can get to the next support, which is the trend line. Very possible. Now let me tell you guys something again. Gold have already, listen guys, listen. Gold have already taken, listen. I asked myself one question before I confirmed that it was bearish. I asked myself question, who are they going to go after? Who are they going to go after? Simple question. That's what I asked myself. That's a simple question I asked myself. Who are they going to go after? Who is in the money that they will go after? Remember yesterday, they took out most of the people that was from this other side. They took out a lot of people from this side. Like this was a higher time frame resistance. This level, they took out everybody from last week high, right? Everybody from last week high was taken out. After they were taken out, what happened next? The price dropped and went into consolidation. Now, if they are going up, who are they chasing? They are always going where the money is because they know that a lot of people actually went long yesterday, and all the people that went long, they have stops around this place, right? Right? They have stops around this place. So what they did was that, okay, after they took them out, they are going to go after the people that are in the money. Who is in the money? That's the question. So immediately I ask myself that question: who is in the money? If they have actually taken out all the people that were in the money from last week high, they have already taken everybody out. Nobody gets a free lunch. You guys know the rules. You know the drill. So I ask myself a question: who are they supposed to go after? Doesn't make sense for them to go continue up. Who are they chasing up? They don't go where there's no money. These guys don't go where there's no money. That's the truth. So I knew that, okay, they are likely going to go after the people who are in the money from yesterday. Those people who are in the money who did not close, the swing traders, the people who didn't close their position, they went after them and kicked them out. That was actually what happened. This happened across all the whole pair. Look at this one also on AUD USD. They took out everybody, right? After the where did people start to take get into this market? Most times before these two candles formed, many people will not get into here. But when it formed an M pattern, a lot of people are going to take a sell and write it down. Most of those people, they have actually gone after them today to take out most of them, take out their stops, their stop again. What next will they do? They decided to now go after all the people that have refused to take profits from yesterday. They said, okay, you guys don't want to take profit. You think you're smart, right? You think you're smart. You think you're wise, right? Okay, we're going to come after you right now. And look at it, bam. They went after them, and now a lot of them have lost all the profit they're supposed to make from this market. That is how they operate. This is how they work. Okay, this is how they work. So that's why this is how they work. That's why I say, if you're swing trading, the swing trading technique that I'm going to roll out, swing trading technique is going to make you a lot of money in the market, but it is based on this principle, because the people they are going after are the people who want to swing trade, who want to hold this position for price to continue bullish. These are the people they are going after, right? Now they have actually taken them out. Make sure that, okay, those people that didn't take profit, who went in here, I want to hold this trade continuously, that they are kicked out. So now, because this is the higher time frame trend line, a lot of people are going to go long here and they're going to want to hold this trade, but that is not the case. I'm going to show you guys where to buy after you have seen the peak formation, where to buy, and exactly how to manage the trade. How many positions to open like multiple positions. Once the trade, maybe you want to trade one standard loss, you are going to spread it into 2 or 3 positions and trade it 0.33 lots, 0.33 lots. So by the time you hit this high, that one can make you mad money, guys. You can make you mad money. Just one trend you can ride like this, you can make insane amount of money. That is actually what we're going to use from next year for the that's what we're going to use from next year for the those who have challenges to pass. Okay, so we're going to use that a lot next year. Nick, we're going to talk about that a lot, because most of you are going to be doing challenges next year. Most of you are going to be managing. You are going to see the insane growth that we're going to experience by next year. I can assure you that I'm actually working towards that for real. So that's it, guys. I hope that you learned something from this session. I hope you actually got value from this session. I am very happy and I learned a lot, and I'm glad that you guys can actually join me for the stream. Yeah, of course, we are going to do that. Is this particular technique is the technique we are going to use. This swing trading technique is the technique we are going to use for from next year. I'm going to switch into it fully. I'm not going to be chasing the 20 pips, 30 pips. No, it's the same entry and the risk to reward is much more. The risk to reward is much more. Trust me, we're going to make a lot of crazy money by next year. You can take that to the bank. I'm the one that said it. So it's the same entry, but I'm going to show you how it works. I've been doing a lot of work on it. I've been using it for some time, and I'm going to show you guys how it works so that you guys can actually also make profit. Okay, I've seen some activity again. Support there. I really want it to break below that support so that I'm going to have confirmation that it's not coming back. So let me take another one on AUD USD. Yeah, press conference movement. You're right, bro. You're right. Thank you for joining us. I really appreciate you for being a part of this class today. You're so awesome. Okay, I want to scalp this market a little bit again. Press conference movement. Even though it's going against me right now, let us see if it's going to continue to the downside. I do not like this movement. A little bit of movement to the top and to the downside. I don't like this. I hope it's going to pick up momentum, and it's not acting like FOMC, guys. FOMC usually make a lot of money, have a lot of activity. I don't know why this one is kind of different. I don't know. You're supposed to see that bearish movement, kick to the downside with a lot of momentum, continuously push. Oof! Nasdaq is crazy, guys. Nasdaq is crazy. Nasdaq is crazy. Nasdaq is crazy, guys. Let us see if it's going to continue down. Let us see if we can make. I want to scalp it, really. Scalp, I'm scalping it. If you just make a little bit of profit, I'm going to take that and walk away also. No greed. No greed, guys. Got some on NAS. Oh, that's nice. I'm glad you did. Nasdaq is crazy. Nasdaq is on fire. It is not dropping. What? Why is it not dropping? Why is it looking so weak? It's rejecting that level, guys. It's not going down. I do not like the fire. I'm expecting AUD USD to hit this support at I'm looking at 0.68011 for AUD USD. That's the place level I'm looking at. If you can be able to drop all the way down to that level, I'm gonna be glad. So let's see if it's gonna continue down. Gold is just there. It's not doing anything. Just giving us crazy wicks. I don't like the wick on gold. Seriously. If I had known, I would have taken this trade on gold instead. Seriously, I'm sad now. I would have taken this instead of gold. Sorry, I would have taken this trade on pin, and I like the fact that it is dropping. Let us see if we can be able to hit this support on 0.68. This support, I'm looking at this support. Let me give you guys the number. 0.68. I'm on AUD USD, guys. 0.68015. That's the level I'm looking at. I just want to scalp it a little bit and walk away. So I'm waiting for it to drop a little bit more. If it does, if I can take a little bit of profit again, I'm gonna walk away and I'm done for the day. Please don't try this at home, guys. Don't try this at home. You don't have to do this with me. This is kind of scary. Shit. You don't have to do this with me. But AUD USD, I'm very positive that it's likely going to hit um 0.68015. I'm looking at that level strongly. That's the level I'm hoping. If you can get down there, I'll be fine. I'll take profit. And gold, I just wanted to hit back that this level 1796.43, and then I'm closing everything and walking away. And then it will be AUD USD will get to this level that I'm looking at. I'm very positive that it will. It should. There's no obstacle stopping it from continuing that momentum, for that momentum to continue. The only one I don't like is gold. Gold is looking very bad, very bad. But AUD USD looking good. Let us see if the momentum is going to continue. But I think this is done. I think it is done, really. So I'm going to close. Once we are in good profit now, I'm going to close everything. Let us see if I can be able to take a little bit of profit away from this. I'm going to be smile. I just want AUD USD to hit this level at wow, it's looking good. Just continue down, and I want it to hit this level. Once AUD USD hits this level, I'm taking profit and I'm done for today. I'll smile. I'll smile. I'll smile. I'll smile. I'll smile. Gold is not dropping. It is just being stubborn. Oh my guy, can you see what's happening? I'm closing it. I just took a loss on gold right now. I just took a loss, guys. I just took a loss. Wow. Did you see that week? It was a bad idea to take the second trade. Oh my lord. I just lost my profit now. I just lost my profit. Damn. Oh my lord. I just lost my profit. Wow. That was insane, guys. I'm done, guys. I do not want to stay around this chart. The more I stay around this chart, they might get me. Oh my lord, I'm so mad. Do you see what's happening now? It's beginning to drop again. That's why I don't trade twice. When there's a news and I just make some profit, I walk away. Trying to take it. Okay, look, it's now dropping again, and it might do that a little bit and go back up again. Wow. Okay, guys, but I believe that AUD USD should go down to that level. Yeah, I'm looking at it's going to drop to that level. Yeah, walk away. Don't trade again. Don't. It's not advisable to. I'm not taking any trade again, guys. I'm signing out. I do not want to get caught up. They have taken the profit they gave me, so but it's fine. It's fine. It's it's fine. It's fine. It's fine. So that is it. That's it, guys. So that's it. Do you see what's happening now? This is not advisable. This is not tradable. This is bad. This is bad. This is bad. It's not going anywhere. This is bad for business. Don't trade this. Oh, it's going back up like crazy. Okay, guys, I'm signing out. I do not want to stay around this market. I do not like what I'm seeing. I do not like what I'm seeing, guys. Yeah, but if you could even a buy on GBP USD would have been awesome. But I'm done trading. I've seriously. Okay, guys, I gotta go. I'll see you guys on the next one. I hope you. I would have loved to take back my money from them. I don't let my leave my money for them, but I think today they got me, and I'm gonna walk away in peace. I think they got me. They gave me the money and took it back quickly. They didn't allow me to enjoy it. See, for those that want to go long, do you see what's happening here? If you're thinking of going long, do you see what's happening here? Look at it. That's why I don't trade the news twice. Never. If I just take that one profit, what I can be able to target any move and get some profit on it, I'm done. I'm walking away. I do not take it twice. Damn, they got me on this one, guys. They got me. They got me. And I'm so mad. Short time. And you understand what I mean, guys. So that's it. So don't revenge trade. If you take a loss, relax. You're going to recover it back another time. Not that moment when you are right now. You're not thinking right at that point. You're not thinking right. You have to relax. When you think right, you can come back and take the money. But it's fine. It was a great trade. I enjoyed the session with you guys. I hope you guys enjoyed the session too. It was nice trading with you guys. Let me go and watch the World Cup. Right? That's the next. That's the last thing for the last thing for the day. Okay, guys. I'll see you on the next one. Take care of yourself. Have a nice day, and may the market be with you.